Can you get 20 out of 20? Question 1. Which animal can survive in space? The correct answer is tardigrade. Question 2. What organ can regenerate itself? The correct answer is liver. Question 3. Which fruit has its seeds on the outside? The correct answer is strawberry. Question 4. What color was Coca-Cola originally? The correct answer is green. Question 5. What's the most stolen food in the world? The correct answer is cheese. Question 6. Which planet rains diamonds? The correct answer is Neptune. Question 7. Which body part doesn't grow after birth? The correct answer is eyes. Question 8. What's the heaviest organ in the body? The correct answer is skin. Question 9. Which country has no rivers? The correct answer is United Arab Emirates. Question 10. What's the only letter not in U.S. state names? The correct answer is letter Q. Question 11. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? The correct answer is mercury. Question 12. Which animal can't jump? The correct answer is elephant. Question 13. What gas do plants breathe in? The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Question 14. What happens if you microwave grapes? The correct answer is spark. Question 15. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? The correct answer is octopus. Question 16. Which human senses fastest? The correct answer is sight. Question 17. Which bird can fly backward? The correct answer is hummingbird. Question 18. What's the rarest blood type? The correct answer is a B negative. Question 19. Which country has the most pyramids? The correct answer is Sudan. Final question. Which animal can live without its head for weeks? The correct answer is cockroach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe.